Save environment, reduce plastic waste. One small act can save our planet. Hello everyone. Every day we use plastic without thinking. Plastic bottles, plastic bags, and plastic wrappers. But did you know where they go after we throw them away? Plastic waste ends up in our ocean, rivers, and streets. Animals eat plastics and get sick. Our environment becomes dirty and unsafe. Plastic does not disappear easily. It stays for many years and harm our planet. A dirty environment affects our health. It can cause flooding, bad smell, and diseases. If you do nothing, the problem will get worse. But the good news is we can help. Use eco bags instead of plastics. Bring your own water bottle. Reduce recycling when possible. This small action can make a big difference. Let's start today. Protect our environment. Reduce plastic waste because small act can save our planet. Thank you.